Going back to the moon is not just an ego trip or a competition to fly a flag. Behind it is the engineering and chemistry that can change the fate of the Earth in the coming centuries. When the astronauts of the Apollo mission returned, they called the moon a magnificent desolation. But today's technology has seen something in that desolation that has made the entire world's space agencies sleepless. The first and biggest reason is water ice. For decades, we thought the moon was completely dry. Chandrayaan-1 revealed the truth to the world that has changed the direction of space science. On the south pole of the moon, where the sun's light has not reached for billions of years, there are deep pits and water has accumulated in the craters. But this water is not for drinking. Water H2O means hydrogen and oxygen. If we can process this ice on the moon's surface, we will get oxygen to breathe. And liquid hydrogen is the world's most powerful rocket fuel. Just think, launching a rocket from the Earth is the most expensive task, because we have to burn a lot of fuel to defeat the gravity of the Earth. If we make the moon a refueling station or a gas station, the doors of the universe will open for us. It will be 90% cheaper and easier to go to Mars or deep space from there. But it's not just about water. The real game is of a rare element called helium-3. For clean energy on Earth, helium-3 is considered the most perfect and safe fuel for this fusion. It is equal to nothing on Earth, but millions of tons of helium-3 are buried in the soil of the moon. Experts believe that if we can bring only a few tons of helium-3 from the moon to Earth, then we can meet the needs of the world without any pollution for thousands of years. Missions like Artemis and Chandrayaan are the foundation of this lunar economy. This time, NASA's Artemis mission is not just to go, but to stay there. They are building a space station called Gateway there, which will orbit the moon. On the other hand, ISRO and other agencies are working on engineering to extract oxygen and metals from the soil there. Humans want to go to the moon because the moon is now not just a planet, but a seventh continent. A great island where there will be mining, where factories will be built, and from where humans will start their journey. This desire to go to the moon is not limited to the search for resources. Imagine a future where there is a big problem on Earth, whether it is a big asteroid, the end of global warming, or a pandemic. In such a situation, we will need a backup to save humanity. And the moon is the first safe house that we can build outside the Earth. It is called the lunar outpost in the language of space science. But there is a big paradox here. Can a person really live in a place where there is no atmosphere? Where the temperature goes up to 120 degrees Celsius during the day and drops to minus 130 degrees Celsius at night. Thanks for watching this video. For more science-related videos, subscribe now.